Here we are, welcome back to another video. In this video I want to talk about switching your graffiti style if you always paint the same thing. So I am certainly guilty of it. Back when I was younger, in my first stint of graffiti, when I painted for probably about 2 years pretty seriously, before I got in a little bit of trouble, but that's another story. I would generally paint the same thing. Once I found a style I was kind of happy with, and I would just paint the same thing, maybe little tweaks on the letters here and there, but I would generally paint the same thing. And yeah, it really didn't do me any favours. Personally, I think it's good to have at least two or three different styles that you can kind of fall back on. Some more simple, some more technical. And I think if you have 2 or 3 different styles of pieces, like one more simple, one more technical, then you can really kind of push different areas of letter forms. It's kind of like if you always paint the same thing, then you're not really going to improve. Maybe, yeah, you'll get better at doing like different kind of colour schemes and understand colours a bit better. Yeah, no doubt, because you'll be pushing that area. But if you're pushing letter styles, then you can always develop colour schemes. And yeah, maybe it's a little bit beyond my current understanding of letters, but I just think always painting the same letters isn't really going to push you very far. I think, yeah, you've got to at least have one simple style and one more technical style and just develop them, if not have like 3 or 4 different styles. I understand that not everybody wants to kind of push their letter form, and that's completely up to them. It's, you know, it's just about having fun really in my eyes. So if you're happy just painting the same thing over and over, then fair play to you. But personally, I think it's good to try something different and just, you know, try and be positive in different senses. And also, sometimes you want to be quick, whether it's somewhere you should be painting or whether it is. Sometimes you just want to paint something fast, so you know, go scratch the itch, as it were. So yeah, and then other days you might be doing a big paint jam and you've got like 4 or 5 hours to paint, so maybe you will want to paint something more technical. So it's good to kind of have different avenues of graph to go down, something quick and fast, and then something more technical and something that takes more time. Anyway, that is enough of my thoughts for this video. I hope it wasn't too boring. But anyway, I've got something much more positive in the next video, which I've already filmed this morning. Obviously I'm talking in the future from this video. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe. Give this video a like, a thumbs up, and yeah, drop a comment. Tell me what you thought about this video, and tell me whether you have a more technical piece and a more simple piece, and different styles. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.